Hi, it's Paul Lynch again, just a short video this time in regards to the T-clips that are on the side of the turret at either end, on either side, on the sides, that hold the cable in place, on the cable heads I should say. And on the kit it's missing, and I kept looking at it when I'm in the spray area, getting ready to spray, and I thought myself, I've got to do something about it, because it just, to me, my eyes are drawn to that bit, which is not actually on the kit. And it actually hopefully fulfill it. I actually put a bit of the spare track that goes on the side of the vehicle, as you can see here, to show the sort of scale of the small pieces I've done. Now I thought it was going to be complicated, but it wasn't. So all I did is got some metal rod, which you can see here. I've actually put some, if I'm bringing it over you might be able to see this better. There's the rod, and this is a method I used, which is not lined up, but I make sure that bit comes up to there, and I've got solder paint on the joint area. Use my Weller BP860, which is a battery operated soldering iron, and to be honest, it worked like a dream. It actually really did work really well. All you do basically to switch it on is you push it on to heat up there, you press the button, you see the lights come on, and after a while that tip gets really hot, but I'm not going to do that now because I want to keep it cool. But that's how it works, and it's straightforward. You just basically got your solder paint, you brush the solder paint onto the joint area, make sure that bit's actually long, you can actually light, and then you touch there until it starts to melt, and you get a really good joint. And as you can see, I've done the 4 already. Now the good thing is, if it isn't long enough, which I think it is, because I did measure down in it, I should be able to get the shortest, there's 3 the same and 1 longer. I can actually slim that one down. I drill a very small hole in, push that in, put a bit of super glue around it, and then I've actually got the T-clip that's holding the actual ends of the cable, I think it's a tow cable, on the sides of the turret, actually out in there, being held there by a T joint, which is actually what, and you see the photographs, you can see it there. So hopefully that should go in quite nicely, and then I can start doing my primer coat. It was niggling me, I kept looking at it and said, it just looks like it's hanging there in mid-air, but with these little T-clips hopefully that'll make a difference. Anyway, so that's the end of my quick short update on what I'm doing and why there's been delay to the undercoatings, because I kept looking at this and thought it's got to do something about it. So as you can see, there they are. Hopefully that's a short video, and I've never soldered before, apart from a few years ago. Well, I'll say whenever I did, when I was doing model railway, and it didn't matter how the joint looked. But with this soldering tool and the solder paint, I found it works a dream. It's fantastic, so it's well worth it. So that's the Weller BP860 soldering iron. Fantastic little tool. Anyway, as I said, it's the first time I've used it. Thank you very much for watching, and this was the this is to do with the switcher build for the M1A2 Abrams from Tamiya 1/35 scale, Operation Iraqi Freedom. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.